Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I like these bottle-shaped beer cans. They're great for making fire. I like this dual-purpose fire container. You can carry ashes in there, and when it's raining or dark you could make fire rolls. And when you polish the bottom up on a sunny day, you can solar ignite tinder. Let me show you what that looks like. I've been looking for an excuse to use up this maple here. So let's get a couple pieces of it. This, and maybe this. And we'll burn it down into ash. This hurricane saw will make short work of this maple. But let me show you. It's just $13 off Amazon. I'm gonna have to sit you over here in the shade because that phone's not gonna be able to take all that heat. All right, you've seen me do this a lot of times on this channel. Let's polish it up with this Blue Magic metal polishing cream. You can get it for like $15 at any auto parts store. And I'll take and polish it and buff it out 2 times to get the kind of mirror finish that I'm going for. Let's go ahead and strain our ashes out. Sometimes these ashes are very light in color. These are as dark as I've ever seen them. So there might be a lot of charcoal in there. And the charcoal is not going to help the process. I actually think it hinders the process. Let's see what the level is. Looks like it's up to about the U on bud. So it's great to carry ashes because you can use a little bit on your hands for grip, for hand drill. You can take any tinder and turn it into a great coal extender. Any tinder that you saturate with wood ashes will turn it into a great coal extender, which means it can accept a weak spark from any weak ignition source and maintain that ember on a slow burn until you get ready to aerate it into an intense ember to make your tinder go to flames. Let's go ahead and try it out. And we'll solar ignite a piece of this bracket fungus. Always find it on your finger first. Oh, I had it too close to the can. That looks perfect right there. It's hard for me to see without my reading glasses. Let's go ahead and let this build an ember, and we'll go ahead and do a fire roll right now. Just a 1/4 teaspoon is all you need. A little bit of ash on the table. And I won't need all that cotton. We'll save the other half for another day. These pine needles are very brittle and break away. We'll work with them. I have to try not to break them up too much. They're getting too small. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. That could come in handy under the right circumstances. We'll catch you on the next one.